Hey Skin Deep, this is Justin from Alastin, just sending you a quick video recap of yesterday's training covering the key points of our skincare and the products that you carry currently in your practice. The first thing we talked about was the aging of the skin and how the external internal factors such as aging, genetics, hormones, and then also the external factors such as pollution, smoking, diet, sun. Those are all factors causing the breakdown of this extracellular matrix and resulting in visible pigmentation issues, loss of volume, fine lines and wrinkles. So those are factors that tend to bring patients into you for treatments to correct. We discussed the Trihex technology, which I think I kind of went over numerous times, so I hope it kind of resonated. But the Trihex technology is essentially removing the debris, which is the broken down collagen and elastin and all of the gelatin that's formed underneath the skin, kind of creating space, not allowing for that new elastin and collagen to re-stimulate. So we remove all of that utilizing our peptide formulation. And then with the ingredients actually stimulates that collagen and elastin, so it's growing, regenerating, and creating new, healthier skin. And then by continuously using the product, you over time replenish all of those fibers, those collagen and elastin fibers. So you're removing, rebuilding, replenishing. So that is the core foundation of Trihex, and that's in all of our products that you currently carry. So one of those products is the restorative neck, and I think Wendy kind of touched on this as well, is that the neck tends to be the thinnest part, the driest part, one of the most delicate areas of the body. With our product, we promote hydration, we promote pigmentation issues with the niacinamide in it, and also address the crepiness. So key things to remember is it's got niacinamide in it, as I mentioned, correcting that reds and brown pigmentation. So any area that you treat maybe with a microneedling or a laser, you wouldn't want to utilize the neck treatment probably immediately after, obviously, but probably I'd give it 48 hours, maybe 3 days, 72, before you have your patient start utilizing that, just so it doesn't irritate the skin. But it does really collaborate well with that treatment, kind of enabling and pushing through some of that discoloration, as well as hydrating, so you can see that crepiness and that elasticity kind of give way because of that extra hydration to the area. And then also you guys carry the Transform Body, which is the product that essentially helps move along the results of the cool sculpting procedure. It has the autophagy process, the hexapeptide 11, which is the key ingredient that actually stimulates that process. It actually activates the lysosomes and the macrophages, which are two enzymes that kind of go after that fat cell, kind of break that down and kind of move it through your body faster, so the results can be seen quicker. And then we kind of briefly touched on the nectar, which would be a great addition to your line. It helps patients who use it pre-treating it 2 weeks prior, helps get that elastin and collagen stimulation going, clearing out the debris, getting the skin to a healthier state, so when you're doing those ablative procedures, the downtime is limited, and then the results are enhanced and you can actually see results faster. And then the transitional product, which is the restorative, which would then address the hydration, the volume loss, and then also the pigmentation, because remember, the nectar doesn't have any hydration in it. It's strictly for calming the skin, helping minimize the irritation and the redness. There is no water, so it is not hydrating at all. So the restorative skin complex would be a fantastic addition to kind of transition that next step. Those were the two main products. We did talk a little bit about the eye again. It does have ingredients that kind of address the puffiness, dark circles, and elasticity on the eyelid. Again, great products to bring into your line if you think your patients are looking for something that you currently may not carry, or some of your products that may not be providing those type of results. So happy to talk about that further. But again, if you have any questions in regards to the Trihex technology, the neck, and the Transform Body, which are your current products, I'm always available. You can give me a call, and then we can discuss further if you wanted to add those additional products to your line as well, okay? Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, it was a great time seeing you guys yesterday. I'm glad you enjoyed your lunch, and we'll talk soon. All right, take care. Bye-bye.